Good day. We are going to start our presentation with a topic. Next, please. In international companies, language barriers create serious communication problems when employees do not share the same language level. Interaction can be misunderstood, tasks are delegated, and work errors increase. These problems also affect teamwork and the relation between colleagues. Next, please. One of the biggest problems is misunderstanding important information. A small mistake in a word can change the meaning of an errand task.
I agree. Language barriers also affect decision making because they make it harder for workers to express their thoughts clearly. Many employees avoid speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes. So important contributions are not shared. As a result, good ideas are lost and team decision because less effective.
Yes, companies use translation apps to match. These apps some from translations and make the message sound wrong or confusion.
Exactly. Language barrier also creative stress. Uh, Employees may feel unsure during meetings, presentation, or when asking questions.
That's why companies need training and intercultural communication programs. This helps teams collaborate more effectively. Next, please. I suggest that company offer English and Spanish training in the workplace to improve daily communication. This would help employees understand introduction better and reduce mistakes.
I believe that strong exclusion programs help workers feel respected and valued, especially when they come from different cultural or linguistic backgrounds. When people feel included, they participate more actively and collaborate better. These programs also create a healthier and more sporty work environment.
I think companies should use professional translations service to avoid mistakes. In important papers like contracts, manuals, and safety in instructions. Good translation helps prevent legal problems and protect workers from confusions. It also makes sure every mark gets clear and reliable information.
I propose creating teams space where employees can practice language together in a relaxed and friendly environment like weekly conversation circles. This will strengthen relationships and reduce the fear of speaking a second language. It also encourages learning through real interaction, not just formal classes. Next,
For example, globally, Amazon has experienced delivery errors because workers misunderstood instructions written in English. These communication mistakes have caused delays and confusion in the distribution process. This example shows how language barriers can negatively affect efficiency in international companies.
In Japan, Toyota train workers through Japanese language programs to reduce workplace accidents.
In Peru, many companies face safety risks when Peruvian workers and foreign supervisors cannot communicate clearly.
In Peruvian call centers, misunderstandings with English-speaking customers affect the quality of customer service.
In conclusion, language problems make people work slower and cause confusion in international companies. They also make workers feel less sure, make teamwork harder, and affect the quickly of daily work. When people cannot communicate well, even easy takes become difficult and take more the time for everyone in the company.
Promoting integration between multicultural teams helps reduce daily misunderstandings by improving how employees connect and communicate with each other. It also encourages a more respectful and inclusive work environment where everyone feels valued. As a result, collaboration becomes stronger and teamwork functions more efficiently.
With workplace training, cultural awareness, and effective communication tools, companies can build a safer and more productive environment when employees understand each other clearly. They feel more confident, participate actively, and make better decisions. This creates a positive work cultures where diversity becomes an advantage instead of challenge.
Therefore, investigating in cultural communication is essential for the companies that want to succeed in a globalized world. Effective communication, reduce mistakes, and improve teamwork in multicultural environments. Companies that value language and cultural training are better prepared for global challenges. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.